got to the hotel, and this is only for like today, because tomorrow we're going to go to the apartment that I got from Airbnb. But why not? And we're gonna show you. We are going to show you our hotel room tour, because oh, I really like this lighting. No, this lighting is nice. Yes, this is our front door. He was shook because we have like a little door thing right here. He was like, oh shit, when I came in. Yeah. So first we're gonna go to the bathroom, which has the best door ever, because I love a barn door. Literally is a barn door. I love this style, and I think I'm gonna incorporate it into my home when I make a home. But this is the bathroom. The best lighting ever in life is this bathroom right here. Literally the best lighting ever. And I think I'm gonna do a routine here later on. But this is the bathroom. Literally, here's the shower. And I think 2 to 3 people can fit in here. Literally 2 to 3 people can fit in this bathroom. Like, literally. This is really cute. I really like this bathroom. Has a his and a hers sink. Here is 2 mirrors. Love lighting. I do want to get this for my bathroom when I do it. And then under here, towels, utensils and stuff. And then another barn door, which is the toilet. It's basically like a regular hotel, but I really love these barn doors. I really do. So this is really fucking cool. So then we're gonna go straight into the mini living hallway. And this is the closet space. We do have robes, but we already have our own, so it's fine. And yeah, I think this is really cute. And then here is our mirror, which will be a lot of selfies being taken. I already did a couple. Go like it on Instagram. Hello. And then our room is here. This is the biggest room ever. Look at him chillaxing. This is a room. Over here is a side table. I really like these lamps. These lamps are so cute to like hanging around. This is, I believe, either a queen or a king bed. Not sure, but it's really freaking huge. And then over here, coffee maker stuff. Our large TV. Refrigerator is down here. Safe is here. We literally are munching right now because we're starving. Marvin, yes. And this is really cute. Like, it's like a little chilling chair. I'll call this a chilling chair. And then we have our freaking view, which the airport is that way, but it is an amazing view. I really freaking love this view. I love Los Angeles. It's amazing. And he's chilling on what you call the therapy chair. He ain't doing much therapy, but it is. Get your feet off the breakfast nook. That's for breakfast. Stop touching it. This is for breakfast. And yeah, this is. Let me go back to the bathroom. Let me go back to the bathroom, because you see, the best lighting is in the bathroom. So yeah, this is basically the whole entire tour. And I know it's short, but I am going to do their Airbnb tour for you guys, and you'll be watching that very soon. But I see you guys next time. I hope you enjoy, and there will be a lot of vlogs coming up soon because we in Los Angeles. So yeah, I see you guys next time, and deuces.